Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. I'm your host Nestor. We got Oris over there. We got the beautiful GTS styled hood and the M2 Comp. Today, we are gonna start off the transformation. We're not gonna do too many things today, just a couple things, most notably the hood. We're gonna get that on and the old one off. That's gonna make the car already look so much more aggressive. And yeah, this is kind of day one of the mods. And we're gonna go from there.
So I didn't partake in putting this on or even taking it off for that matter. So I'm actually really excited to see what the fitment's gonna be like.
Yeah, definitely. And it's kind of easy, I would say, to mess with the fitment. It's actually
famous last words. We're like, let's bang it out, 30 minutes. Good luck.
Yeah, so as you guys know, this is the Souvenir GTS styled hood. It's full aluminum, weighs like 20 pounds, so it's about a 25 pound weight difference. Super lightweight. Oh, that's not good. All right.
It's all right. It was the inside.
That's another thing he broke. That's another payment we need from this guy.
It was the inside. We're good.
So yeah, it's going to be a nice weight saving. It's going to look aggressive. Let's stop talking. Open up the boots. No, that's English. The boots, the back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna open up the hood and we're gonna get it going.
Wow. There we go. S55.
Yeah. So the problem with this one is we have to take off this carbon brace. And this is not
funny. I was like, I am not doing that.
It's really simple. So essentially, we disconnect these little clips that are holding the wire in place.
Okay.
We take off these two right here, and it just straight up comes off. Super easy. Because these don't actually come out. These stay attached to this right here.
Okay.
So all you're doing is unscrewing these two nuts, and it
okay.
just slides right off.
All right, it seems easier than I thought.
Yeah, and then these get replaced as well. So you take these guys out. And you take the metal things out, and this is how you actually control how low it clicks in.
Oh, that's cool.
If that makes sense. So that's kind of where we're gonna be adjusting it for the most part.
Interesting.
Yeah, exactly. You just have to shuffle it.
So we had the hood aligned, ready to go, screwed in, but leave it to this guy. He dropped one of the nuts somewhere in there. Where is it?
Deep in there.
It's next to the leaves. So now we're gonna spend the next half hour of a half-hour install.
You wish half hour, probably an hour.
Jeez.
Okay guys, you won't believe how we're getting this nut out. So I had one of those like couples bracelet that has like a magnet on it. And take a look at how we got this.
This is what he's trying to get out, by the way. So we're I don't think I can see.
Okay, yeah, like I'm gonna pull it out.
All right.
We fished this out. I can't make this up.
There you go. What a winner. What a winner.
That is the funniest thing I've actually ever witnessed, but it worked.
See, so sometimes it's worth it to be in a relationship. Not
there
always, but sometimes.
Here we go.
Are we going full? We're going full.
Just checking it, checking the pumps.
The hydraulic?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Nope. Yeah,
That's
so I think we have to loosen it because it's not catching. Yeah, it's not catching, so we did 25 half twists.
Yeah.
So let's try going down to 20 half twists.
Okay.
So we're taking this off by squeezing the ends.
All right.
And then loosening it was...
One half twist.
Which way was
Left.
it? This way?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put this back on.
Okay.
Oh, I think this is gonna catch, I think. Yep. Okay, so that caught. Now we have to look at an alignment. So.
In terms of alignment, I think it's perfect because we're done. BMW M2 hood is now complete, looking good. I think it's fine because it's a little bit cold. Nestor's not so happy with the panel gaps because it's not perfect. Maybe he'll take it in the shop. I don't know, we'll see. But we'll be back tomorrow for some more. We're back at it again for day 2. We are, of course, doing the wing, and that went flying. Oh my goodness, good I got that on camera.
Yeah, so this is our old wing, obviously. We still have a little bit of residue from the 3M tape. So we're just trying to get that removed. This 3M wheel is doing a really, really good job. We just have to hold it in place, do this. Might take us about 20 minutes. And then after that's done, we got to take off the OEM white one. We have our good old fishing line attached to the Coca-Cola bottle. And we're just gonna heat it up. You guys will see us removing that, and we're gonna put this bad boy on. Now, I know I said I'm gonna be using a lot of M Performance parts on this car, but I actually am not a fan of the M Performance spoiler. I think it's a little too small for the car, especially with, like, you know, if we do lip and side skirts. And I really like the size of this one.
The kick on it is huge.
Yeah, I think it just looks perfect on this car. So we're gonna keep it. You know, in the future, maybe we'll change to something else, but this is really aggressive and I like it a lot.
Finishing her up. Gone fishing, baby.
All right.
Let's see how easy this is to take off now.
I feel like it's gonna be pretty difficult. Oh, it restuck.
Wait, what? Oh, there you go.
Restuck to
Oh yeah,
it.
that's the OEM stuff.
Yeah.
That's how you know nobody modded
Yeah, but look
this.
here. Here was it was really easy to come off for some reason. But yeah. All right, so this car is actually stock. We know that for sure. But
until you sell it, and
it won't be stock for very long though.
All right, what do we got here?
So we got the spoiler on finally, and honestly, this is the best job we've done with the spoiler on all our attempts. Now, we attempted it twice, I think, on the OG M2, and even when we actually tacked it on and we're happy with it, it wasn't as good as this fitment, and we actually, this is our second time doing this one. We messed up the first one, and this is perfect. Like, this is as good as it's gonna get. This is like 99% perfect fitment, so I'm really, really happy with it. It looks sick. It just makes me want to do more things on the car now, because
definitely.
obviously this is black and there's a lot of white on the car. I'd love to wrap the roof as well, but that we'll save for another day. We have a lot of stuff planned.
So good.
I don't think we're gonna be doing anything this like crazy for a while.
Okay.
In terms of, like, you know, hood in this, that's a big, you know, big
Gotcha.
changes. But yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of other small things in the next episode. So this is kind of like part 1 of the transformation of the M2C. And yeah, we'll be back for another part for sure.
So it feels like we're pretty much working on the M2 all over again, because we're using some of the same parts, the same wheels. It's like minus 20, at least my feet are freezing. Maybe it's even on the positive, but it's cold in here. And the car looks so good, it makes me feel that summer is coming, and that's exactly what we need.
I'm so excited for summer. I mean, not even summer, spring.
Yeah.
Spring's gonna be so nice. Like April, May is gonna be amazing.
We've had like so much feet of snow, it's been a crazy year.
Yeah.
So we're ready. What is this, a tractor?
Sounds like it, eh? Sounds like a tractor.
Sounds like it's broken.
We broke something, look. We broke something. Oh shit, we broke something already.
Nice, there you go.
Already broken, brand new car.
That looks good with that wing.
Alrighty guys, so that is it. We got the hood installed, we got the spoiler installed. A lot more stuff that I really want to do on this car, but we're gonna have to keep that for another video, man. We can't do everything at once, you know?
That is true.
I don't have that kind of money. You know, I can't drop $10,000 on like 20 parts and do it all at once.
Oh, come on, you got that YouTube money.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, so. All right, guys, so yeah, that's pretty good. Hood, wheels, spoiler.
Let's look.
Pretty solid, man, pretty solid.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, cannot complain. She
Look
needs
at
a nice
that.
little wash. You know,
Oh,
look at that.
definitely.
That's dirty as hell, but once she's washed, it's gonna look nice. And we got a couple more things coming, guys. Stay tuned. The next video on the channel is gonna be Oris Stage 2 Audi S4. He's finally doing it. And then after that, we're gonna do another one of these where we just do a ton of things to the car, probably like 3-4 mods at once. So it's really gonna pop, and I'm excited for it.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. As always, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.